Hey guys.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey Anne.
Oh shit! Baby scared me.
Hi guys, guess where we are? Huh? They didn't say anything.
Anne is cute, cute, cutie, cute, 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 cutie, cutie, cute, cutie, cute.
I'm ready.
Anne is cutie, cutie, cute, cute, cute,
I'm so
cutie,
hungry.
cutie, cute, cute,
Can
cutie,
we
cute.
go?
Anne is cute.
Oh my god.
This is my Anne is cute song and dance. I love you, Henny Penny Poo. I love you, Henny Penny. I love you, Henny Penny Poo. I love you, Henny Penny. Henny Penny, you got a sexy. Penny Penny, you got a sexy.
We can't put that in.
So we just got home. I'm Belly Boy Button. Hello from the belly button. Hour late. But I've been messaging the guy and he said they had to go into the...
Wait. I was feeling tired.
Don't get scared.
No, I would get scared here. I'm a bit scared. Hey.
Hey. How was the water puppet show, Han?
Oh my god.
Because
what
we
does that sound?
huh?
So what does that sound?
I think the wind back here. This
That
is
sound.
so funny. And it's freaking out a bit. She don't want to look. She's scared.
Oh look,
She's-
but I don't like the sound. Let's make it.
You should have said you didn't like these. I wouldn't have made you go on it.
I like it.
No, you don't.
I'm scared we might fall. Wait, I don't know where we are. I got food. Delicious.
Gotcha. Sorry. What have you found, Bob?
So I thought it was just going to be like a packet of like mayo burger something.
That's it.
But
It's a bag of mayonnaise.
it's a bag of mayo. It feels so good to touch.
My hair looks so strange. Why are there little squares?
All the way over.
Oh man.
Oh, I love this wallpaper on the back.
That looks cool. Oh, turn too far. My hair.
Hello.
Hello there. Don't know what that was.
Hey.
Hi.
We're going to Sun World today.
We're going to Sunworld today. Finally.
Stop copying of me.
Stop copying of me.
So
So. No, sorry, here.
That's so cute.
What is it? Stock cubes?
Yeah.
Stock cubes! Wow! Wow, wow, wow,
Little
wow,
thing.
wow.
I don't like the mini version.
Little mini stock cube! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Don't you think that's so cute?
Not really.
How little is it? It's like smaller than my face.